We often hear people say they can't turn their mind off or can't relax enough to sleep. And while that might feel like the reality right now, it doesn't have to stay that way. A consistent night routine can work wonders in calming your mind and preparing your body for sleep. It's all about setting the stage for your rest, just like you would set the mood for an evening out with a good friend, or create a cozy space for reading your favorite book. Our bodies and minds are creatures of habit, and once you start implementing a simple, consistent routine, your body will naturally begin to respond. Tonight, I'm going to guide you through the process of preparing your body and mind. Want the full solution? Check the link.